Hey, it's Nanaski, and today I want to show you how to play the song Jesus at the Center. And I'm going to do the Darlene version, the one who sings for Hillsong. It is such a beautiful song. I mean, every time we sing it, it's just, there's so much truth to it, and it really brings your heart to surrender. And we're going to be doing it in the key of D. So that's kind of the recipe of the song, is the key of D. And a lot of these chords, I'm going to be playing them inverted. So instead of playing the D like this, I may play this A down here to make it sound like this. And instead of playing the G like this, I may play this G up here to make it look like that. So if this is kind of confusing for you, inverted chords are amazing. They totally changed my life, and I will link the lesson in the description box specifically for inverted chords. All right, so this is how I'm going to play the introduction. Again, my D, instead of playing it like this, I'm going to be playing it like this. So these are the four chords: D, E minor, D over F sharp, G, and finishing off with a flowy style. We start with the left hand and we continue with the right hand. If this is hard for your hands to do together, I do have a mini course on it that you can find in the link below as well. Again, you have the D, E minor. This is definitely not a super beginner tutorial, but you can make it work by just playing the simple chords like this. Or just playing the regular chords, root chords. So it could definitely be altered. So, Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. Getting to the end. So as you can tell, I am adding a lot of fills and flows. And if you're a beginner, please do not be afraid. There's a lot of times that word is written in the Bible. Do not be afraid. Definitely, you can just play the chords and it will sound just as beautiful. Jesus at the center of it all. Okay, you don't have to add the fills, but I am including them to show you how beautiful it can sound, okay? First of all, it starts with the left hand. Jesus at the center of it all. Here we have the suspended A, where it's an A4, and then it goes back to regular A. From beginning to the end. And you got your A again. It's always been you, Jesus. Jesus, nothing. Alright, so after that verse, I know it, you can either make it hard for yourself and include the flowy styles, or you can, play it really simple. It's up to you. You can rewatch that. Now when we're going to the chorus, there's a bit of a transition chord, and it looks like D over F. That means we're playing D with the right hand and F with the left hand. Nothing else matters. So if you don't have time to play it for nothing, you can at least play it for else. So, Jesus. So at the end of the verse, you have Jesus, nothing else. But if you don't have time to switch at nothing else, or you forget about this chord, just go straight to G. Nothing else matters. Then you have an E minor. Nothing in this world will do. D. And then you also have a B minor here. 'Cause Jesus, you're the... in all honesty, you don't have to play the B minor. You could just play Jesus, you're the D over F. Jesus, you're the center. Everything revolves around you. Jesus, you, the center of it all. At the center of it all. So again, this is really similar to the introduction. And then you have verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. And it goes just like, Jesus at the be the center of my life. It's so beautiful, and it's the same exact thing. And then you go to the chorus again, and then after second chorus you go into the bridge, which I will show you right now. The chords are A, from my heart to the heavens. Then you have a B minor, Jesus be the center, D. And then you have a G, it's all about you. And then an A, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yeah, it's all about you. And then you can repeat this as many times as you want. You can add the flowy style, or you can play just chords. To the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all over. It all sounds good to the Lord, all of it. So depending on your level, you can make it as easy or as hard as you'd like, okay? And then you go into verse 3, which is Jesus be the center of your church. And you play it really calm, okay? Jesus be the center of your church, and every knee will bow, and every tongue shall confess you, Jesus. Jesus. And you go into the chorus again, and then you can go back to the bridge and then back to the chorus. This song is so open-ended, you can really go anywhere. And then remember to end it off on a D. And that's it, you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.